Welcome to Prime Trends USA. Today, we're diving into a topic that has the power to transform your life: how to use miracles in your daily life. Miracles are not just extraordinary events from the past, they can become a source of inspiration and guidance in the here and now. Let's explore how you can tap into this transformative power to overcome challenges and create positive change in your everyday experiences. Defining miracles. First, what is a miracle? Often we think of miracles as grand, supernatural events, parting the Red Sea, healing the sick, or raising the dead. But miracles are not limited to such monumental occurrences. A miracle can also be an everyday moment of wonder, like a stranger's kindness, the perfect timing of an opportunity, or even the beauty of a sunset after a storm. The Bible reminds us in Psalm 77:14, "You are the God who works wonders. You have made known your might among the peoples." This verse shows us that miracles are not confined to the extraordinary. They are God's wonders that manifest in both large and small ways. Miracles happen when we open our eyes to see them and our hearts to embrace them. Real-life example. Let me share a powerful real-life example. Meet Sarah, a single mother struggling to make ends meet. 1 month her rent was due and she didn't have enough money. Sarah prayed fervently, asking God for help. The next day, a friend she hadn't spoken to in years called her unexpectedly. During their conversation, the friend felt compelled to offer financial assistance, unaware of Sarah's situation. That act of kindness was a miracle, a moment where God's grace shone through human action. This story highlights the truth in Matthew 7:7. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and it will be opened to you. Sarah's faith and openness allowed her to receive the miracle she needed. Miracles in daily life. Miracles surround us every day. Have you ever experienced an unexpected blessing? Perhaps you were worried about a tough decision, and the answer came to you in the form of a conversation, a book, or a random encounter. These are everyday miracles. For example, a friend's phone call just when you needed support, a small child's laughter lifting your spirits, finding the perfect parking spot on a hectic day. Jesus himself demonstrated the beauty of everyday miracles. In Matthew 14:19-20, he multiplied 5 loaves and 2 fish to feed thousands. While this miracle is extraordinary, it also reflects a principle we can apply. Gratitude for what we have can unlock abundance in our lives. The power of belief. Belief is the foundation of miracles. Mark 11:24 says, "Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it, and it will be yours." Believing in miracles makes room for them to unfold. It's not about wishful thinking, but about having faith in possibilities beyond what we can see. Your mindset matters. A positive outlook can attract positive experiences, much like how seeds sown in fertile soil grow into thriving plants. Start by shifting your perspective. Instead of saying, "I'll believe it when I see it," say, "I'll see it when I believe it." Actions for miracles. Faith alone isn't enough. It requires action. James 2:17 reminds us, "Faith by itself, if it does not have works, is dead." Here are steps you can take to manifest miracles in your life. 1. Practice gratitude. Begin each day by listing 3 things you're grateful for. Gratitude opens the door to blessings. 2. Take small steps. Move toward your goals with intentional actions. Even small efforts can yield miraculous outcomes. 3. Help others. Acts of kindness often create ripple effects. Be a miracle in someone else's life, and watch how blessings return to you. 4. Pray with expectation. Pray as though the miracle has already happened. Visualize and thank God for it in advance. A personal story. A viewer once shared how they prayed for guidance about a new job. Instead of waiting passively, they updated their resume, applied diligently, and networked. In just weeks, they landed a position they described as beyond their dreams. Their faith, combined with action, brought the miracle to life. Living a miracle-filled life. Living a life filled with miracles starts with a mindset of wonder and possibility. Imagine seeing each day as an opportunity for God's wonders to unfold. Here's how you can embrace this lifestyle. Stay open. Miracles often come in unexpected ways. Be ready to see God's hand in the ordinary. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledge and cherish small blessings as stepping stones to greater miracles. Share your miracles. Encourage others by sharing your stories of God's goodness. The Bible's story of Peter walking on water, Matthew 14:29-31, is a powerful example. Peter experienced a miracle because he trusted Jesus and stepped out of the boat. When doubts crept in, he faltered, but Jesus lifted him up. This teaches us that miracles are not about perfection, but about faith and persistence. Miracles are not relics of the past. They are alive and accessible today, waiting for you to embrace them. Begin by opening your heart, shifting your perspective, and taking intentional steps. Remember, you are not alone. The God who works wonders is with you. So, what miracle will you create today? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to live a miracle-filled life. Thank you for watching Prime Trends USA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more uplifting content. Until next time, stay blessed and stay inspired.